Hello, hello. It's Friday. Today is a test. You have a half an hour. I have a test right here, and this is the test. I want you to read all the instructions, and you have 4 pages to complete. Okay, 4 pages to complete. So, we are going to start this test right away after this video. You may use this whole PowerPoint. Look through. You may use it to answer the questions. And if you go through, you will find answers to the questions. These are all in here. You should know what they look like. The phases of mitosis, how it looks for the cell, different things. You're going to be asked lots of different questions. You're going to be asked things like compare mitosis and meiosis. We talked about both. You've done different diagrams. We went all the way through. So you can use this along with the notes that you took in your notebooks. I can bring them in to Mr. Katitz's. If you're distant, you can do this with this PowerPoint and it should work just fine. And then you take a picture and then put it on and attach it to the assignment. Okay, so that is what you need to do. This PowerPoint is in the review of Google Classroom, the mitosis review. So here it is, mitosis review. You can have your iPad open and take a look. Okay, so stay nice and quiet during the test. Use whatever you would like here, and here's the 3D animation of mitosis as well. So you can look at that, and you can turn the volume off, and
mitosis.
It may
In
talk
this
about
module,
it and label it.
You will learn about
Okay.
mitosis. Mitosis.
So you only have a half an hour. I realize that, and so if we need to extend it and hand those tests in and do some more Monday, we will do that as well. Okay, have a great test taking and a great weekend. Bye-bye.